Hello, kiddos. Welcome back to another week of learning. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and introduce this new form to you for scheduling or optionally scheduling your assignments. Um, First, let me just tell you, if you click any one of these hyperlinks under ELA, math, science, or social studies, it will take you right to our classwork page to those assignments. Okay, so you can just click that and it goes right there. Um, each week, let me scroll down a little bit, we will be providing this form, and this is a complete list of all your assignments for the week, and it is a guide to provide an example of how you might want to divide up your work throughout the week. Now, this is totally optional. This just is laid out. I want you to do what works best for you and your family. Every week, we'll give you a short review of the lessons. That's what you're listening to right now, and you can access that through, hopefully you've clicked this link right here. There are 2 days of reflect and review built in. That's for you to go back and look at your work, maybe review it if you didn't submit it. Make sure you have submitted it because some of you are forgetting to do that. Or go back and complete the questions that maybe you didn't know how to answer once you've talked with me, messaged me, or we've had a Zoom meeting about it. Okay. Talking about Zoom meetings, we will have one again on Monday, every Monday at 1:30 for language arts. For 2 o'clock, a short one for science and social studies. And then on Wednesday, I'll have an open session from 1:30 to 2 o'clock to review anything you might need some help on, okay? We're going to alternate between science and social studies starting with this week. So we have a new social studies topic, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Also, there are optional extras down here. If you have finished all your work, you can simply click this hyperlink. Anything that's in blue and underlined is an automatic link for you. Just click on it. These are the optional extras that are listed on our classwork page. There's Scratch, and of course there's Study Island. You can always access that through our Marple Newtown School District bookmarks, and Study Island is here. If you want to go to McGraw-Hill, you can do that. I mean, you can always work through that if you want to, okay? Let's talk about one more thing over here. Instead of being pushed out on Mondays, this is going to come to you on Friday afternoons. So that's why you're getting it today. And that's something new too. For your specials, they're all linked here. You just click on that. If you have a question about the specials, I've put a link for all the teachers here that you can just email them directly, okay? So our lessons for the week are, let's start with language arts. So instead of having 3 lessons a week for language arts, we're going to have 2. And we're going to start with author's point of view. And this lesson is a Nearpod, and it is, I can explain how an author uses reasons and evidence to support a point of view in nonfiction. This is a review. We're spiraling through this again. So hopefully that Nearpod will be easy and fun for you. Also, spiral review, understanding context clues. I can analyze context clues to determine unknown words. This is a brain pop video using context clues, and the brain pop is built into a Nearpod, so there's a little quiz at the end, time to climb. Please do all parts of the Nearpod lessons and remember to submit your work. I can see every question that you answer or don't answer. And I can see if you've just clicked turned in and haven't completed it. So keep that in mind. I can see all the good work you're doing, and I can see when you're missing some parts too, okay? For math, I'm going to have you go to your own math Google Classroom page to review those assignments, okay? Your math teacher will go over that, or if you're in My Math, I will go over that on our math classroom page. This week, we're going to be going back to social studies. We've wrapped up science with ecosystems. We had to kind of rethink what we were doing with the Chesapeake Bay project because of changes in the school schedule. So we have completed the Chesapeake Bay, and we're moving on to Early American Explorers, Routes of Exploration, Part 1. So with this, I can explain who the early explorers were and the impact of their discoveries. So you're going to learn about Christopher Columbus and John Cabot, the first two of our early explorers. That is a Nearpod. Please complete all the questions for that. Submit it in Nearpod and turn in your assignment on our Classwork page. I think I have covered everything here. Again, if you have any questions, please message me. I'm trying to find a better way to get in touch with you guys directly. I know some of you are having trouble submitting into Nearpod, your open-endeds, and I'm trying to figure out how we can work on that a little better. So keep up the great work. I'm so proud of all your hard work and flexibility, helping me, helping each other, helping mom and dad through this new reality we're living. Stay well, and I hope you have a great weekend.